Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A37, this version 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, open box and look completation. We have tin box without adapter for charging, device, okay, and we have only Type-C cable in this pocket. On back side triple camera, LED, on this side without controls, right side power button, wall buttons, downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards. Front side we have display 6.7 inch, Full HD Plus resolution display, 120Hz AMOLED display. About phone we have One UI version 8.5 and Android 16. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have CPU Snapdragon Samsung Exynos 4018 and GPU Samsung Eclipse. Look results, single core score, multi-score, GPU test results and open AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark results, okay, close this, run PUBG Mobile, look how game works on this device. Game load and load on the high graphic level and high frame rate. Okay, good, game works smooth and good graphics, good level. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.